This video will show you how to use a camcorder connected to a Hauppauge Colossus card to provide the video and audio feed for a Zoom video conference. The setup is quite complex as shown by this diagram. The setup uses OBS Studio to provide the video and audio feed. The video feed goes direct to Zoom, but the audio feed must go through a virtual cable to Zoom. The video will show you how to install each of the required components and set them up to provide a video and audio feed from a device connected to a Colossus 2 card. I've not tested it, but I believe that this setup will work for any Hauppauge PVR product that uses the Capture application. I've produced a separate unboxing video which shows how to install the card. Once installed, use an HDMI cable to connect your camcorder to the HDMI in port. The next step is to install Hauppauge's drivers. These drivers are installed when you install Hauppauge's Capture application. The Capture application itself is not used, but you must install it to get the required drivers installed on your computer. Visit hauppauge.com/capture or the /capture page for your country-specific Hauppauge website, e.g. hauppauge.co.uk. Click to download the latest version of Hauppauge's Capture application and install the Capture application. You only need the drivers to be installed, and you can verify that they've been installed correctly by running the Capture application and verifying that you can see the image from your camcorder or other device connected to the Colossus card. Note that this video clip has not been edited. It takes some time for Capture to get the video feed, so allow plenty of time and you should see the video feed from your camera. When you have confirmed that the Capture app can see your video feed, close down the Capture application. You now need to install OBS Studio. Visit obsproject.com/download and install the latest version of OBS Studio. If you've got an old version of OBS Studio already installed, you should update it because the feature that we will be using is a very recent addition to OBS Studio in version 26, which was released in 2020. If you haven't used OBS before, you may well need to watch some other videos to get familiar with the application. The key thing that you need to be set up to get a video feed for a video conference is that you need to add a source to your scene, which is a video capture device. Select the Hauppauge Sienna Video Capture from the list of devices. After a few seconds, the video from your camcorder should now be displayed in OBS. To use this as a video feed for your video conference software, click Start Virtual Camera. This has now set up a video feed for your video conference, but at this stage there will be no audio. You now need to connect the audio monitor virtual output from OBS to the audio input for the video conference using a virtual cable. You need to install an audio driver in order to create this virtual cable. A suitable driver is available from the website vb-audio.com. Click Audio Apps, then click Download and follow the installation instructions to install on your computer. Importantly, remember to do this in admin mode and then reboot your computer. After rebooting, return to OBS to set up the audio feed. Click File, then Settings, and select the Audio tab. In the Advanced section, select Cable Input as the monitoring device and click OK. You now need to go to the audio mixer and click the cogwheel and select Advanced Audio Properties. Under Audio Monitoring, select Monitor and Output. The audio feed will now be output from OBS's monitoring audio output and will be the input to the virtual cable. So all that remains now is to select the correct video and audio feeds in Zoom. Open the Zoom app, click the cogwheel to open the settings window and click the Video tab. Under Camera, click the drop down. Do not select Hauppauge Sienna video capture. This may seem the obvious option because you are using a Hauppauge video capture card, but it will not work. You must select the OBS virtual camera to get the feed from OBS. You should now see the image from your camcorder. Click the Audio tab and under Microphone, select the cable output. If you now click Test Mic, you should be able to hear yourself recorded using the camcorder mic. OBS is a very powerful package with lots of advanced features for streaming and recording video. When using a camcorder's internal mic, you may find that the sound is improved by adding a noise suppression filter. I hope this video has helped you to use your camcorder as a webcam for your Zoom conference calls with your Windows 10 computer.